If you're an influencer having hundreds of thousands of followers on Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform, and you want your earnings to look like this and get payouts every single month and fast and even faster by earning less than $5, then there is no better platform than Monetag. Now Monetag is an ad network platform, and also it enables users, social media influencers to monetize in fast and better way. So let me just show you, they have recently rolled out Smart Link, which you can turn your social media traffic into profit. So how it works is you simply have to go to the dashboard and get a direct link, and then you have to post it on your social media post, or you can also post it on your blogs, and then you can share the blog post on social media, which is very good way to get the clicks and also be transparent with your users. Now, is the Smart Link from Monetag shows relevant ads? Is it a good platform to earn money? Now you all be having this similar doubt, which is why I have been using from past few weeks, and this is the results which I've got. If I go to the payments section, and here you can see I'm available to withdraw. Now here you can see I have $5.2 which I can withdraw right now, because minimum withdrawal from Monetag is $5, and which is very good compared to other platforms, compared to other ad networks which they have something around $25 to $30. Now Monetag only offers you to withdraw and just less than $10, which is about $5, which is a minimum $5. So it's a very good platform. And not only that, why you should use Monetag? Why is Monetag better than other platforms, other ad networks? Now there are many platforms, but Monetag has better CPM rates, and the payouts is also good, and they offer 24/7 support, and also they offer faster payouts than other ad networks. And Monetag has been it has been ever since, it's been from a long time, and we have got thousands of advertisers working through Monetag. So let's just go ahead, and the link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out. So I'll leave the link in the description, and go here and directly click on login or get Smart Link. Now once you directly log in and fill out all your details, payout details and every single thing, what you want to do is go into that direct link. Now once you go into the direct link, you can add direct link. Now keep in mind, if you want to monetize your website, you have to go to the websites and click on add websites and connect to your website. Simple process. If you want to help, comment in the comment, I need a tutorial on how to connect website and make a video on it. But if you go to the direct link, since we are talking about smart links and direct links, here click on add direct link. Now once you click on add direct link, we have got the direct link which is successfully created, and here I'm just gonna click on copy the link. Now once I click on copy, if I open it in another tab, so let's just look at what ads. So let's just see. Okay, we have got an ad. So let me just go into my own WordPress dashboard, which I've been writing blogs. So let me just go into the posts, and here I will select a post. Now once I select a post, I can embed as a button, embed as a hyperlink. I can do anything, because all I want is a click from a user. Now the best way to do is you need to be adding a button or a hyperlink which is very relevant and very transparent in a way. So let's just go here and type. So based on an article, what I can write is, so this article is about Webflow content, fast SEO blogging with AI. Want to monetize better. Click here. So let me just add a hyperlink to the click here. So let me just insert, and then insert my direct link, click here, and that's it. So now Monetag, now will it be very relevant, because this article is about fast SEO blogging and AI and monetize better, and I have added a hyperlink right here. So yes, Monetag is good at with all this AI and every single thing, whatever in 2026 we have got better user understanding all these tools. So yeah, it will be relevant, and when it's relevant, people of course gonna interact with the ad, and that's how you're gonna make huge payouts. Alright, so that's it. If you want to see the statistics of individual direct link, you can come to the direct link and click on statistics as well. If I click here, it will show you the statistics. Now keep in mind the statistics, it will take 24 to 40 hours or maybe within 6 hours to refresh and give you the analytics, and this is what it looks like. And go to the payment section. Once the $5 is approved from the Monetag side, you can withdraw via PayPal and wire transfer. You have a bunch of payment options. I don't want to show you, you can explore it. So with that said, the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out.